18th, a resident contacted the board stating that he's calling a meeting of the neighborhood committees and chairs to remove 2 of the board members. The board immediately advised that this is not a properly called meeting and that he needed to follow the association's governing documents and bylaws. The individual advised that the meeting was going to happen and the board members needed to accept that fact. The board, in a 5-2 vote, authorized our office to take any and all necessary legal action to stop the unauthorized meeting. On March the 2nd, we sought an injunction with respect to the March 7th meeting. At the same time, the individual trying to hold the meeting filed a complaint with the Maryland Consumer Protection Division of the Attorney General's office. Our office, within 24 hours of receiving the complaint, provided a response outlining the precise steps for having a special meeting of the association and advised that the association is prepared for mediation. The Consumer Protection Division of the Attorney General's office stated that the person who filed the complaint has rejected mediation and will be proceeding with the March 7, 2015 meeting, which he did. We advised Consumer Protection that this is a defective meeting and that the association would have no other option but to rely on the courts if the meeting participants try to bind the association to the actions taken at the March 7, 2015 meeting. The individual held his March 7th meeting and alleged to have removed 2 board members. This is an open question. Oh, my bad. The individual held this March 7th meeting and alleged to have removed 2 members of the board and elected 2 replacements. The individual then sent a letter to the remaining board members advising that he has 14 votes locked in and the board needs to accept his actions. If not, those board members will be, quote, will own this problem as well. On Monday, March the 9th, the 2 replacements contacted management, stated they were the new board members, and sought to obtain board packets and other information. Our office obtained a temporary restraining order from the circuit court and seeks additional relief against 2 other individuals while the propriety of the March 7th meeting is determined by the court on its merits. Now, given that this is a pending matter before the courts, waiting to be determined on the merits, neither our office nor the board of directors will discuss this matter any further.
Oh, bullshit! 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 You cowards! Cowards!
Is he appointed this meeting? No, he's way on business.
Sit down! Sit down! One question. Excuse me. I'd like to ask you. You stated your statement. You stated your statement. Order, please. There is no order. I'd like to ask one question. You stated your welcome to the People's Republic of the Russett.
We have a sign-up sheet. A lot of people have signed in. We're about to get into the open forum session, which is only 10 minutes. Been that way for over a decade.
Yeah, that's right. Unless we agree with you, it's unlimited.
This is a board meeting. This is designed for the business of the association, for the board to conduct the business of the association. Sorry, Tom. So, we're bringing the sign-up sheet over. So.